Hey again, Barb here. This is my van, Spaz VanGo. Welcome to Winter's Easel Van Life. So, I told you in the last video, if you saw that another small project popped into my head as a diesel heater install was getting finished up. There's a trend going on with me where I'm doing a lot of redo of things I have already installed. Some were intended to be permanent and didn't work out, and some temporary. This video actually has two of those. Neither were huge projects, but just the same, they are both do-overs. One is a move from temporary to permanent, and the other, well, it just raised its hand and said, "Hello, I am misbehaving, so me next." Well, doing a little bit of a kitchen remodel. I've had that plastic stick on just stuff from the dollar store for the backsplash, and the heat from my stove actually melted it. So we found a sheet of galvanized steel because stainless steel was way more expensive than I could afford, and it's going to look pretty nice. Andrew picked it up for me when he was in town today, and we just applied some contact cement to the backsplash board, and on the floor there you see the galvanized sheet. So gotta wait 15 minutes for that to set up, and then we'll mount it onto the wall and see how it goes. There you see the diesel heater tank actually mounted to the wall there. That actually fit right behind my kitchen cabinet countertop, so perfect place for it. Putting the steel on the backsplash. Contact cement has hopefully cured enough. Get all the fans and doors open because it's pretty fumey in here. Rollering it so that it gets all good contact from the center out. Please, it's going to look like a professional kitchen. It'll probably help me cook better too. What you need?
Am I screw good?
That looks pretty slick. That is galvanized steel. I think I mentioned that before. I think we paid $38 for that versus $250 for stainless steel. What a deal, what a deal. And this is, I will be able to put my magnetic spice tins on it as well.
Yeah, it's not coming off.
No, I didn't think it would.
I'm trying to peel it off.
It's stuck now.
Plus those sharp edges.
Yeah, like I said, I'll put some tape or
File
something.
down while you're round over, even up there.
Oh yeah.
Woohoo!
Yay!
It's on.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I think it turned out really nice. I am super happy with it. Word to the wise, contact cement melts through plastic. It just ate it away. And that's all that is the cover to a tin pie plate that I thought we could use. So we ended up using the actual tin pie plate and it did okay. Wow. Use the tin. Or I don't know if they have a rated plastic that will stand it up to that stuff or not. But the lid for the tin pie plate does not. I didn't even think about that it would eat through it, but it did. Good old contact cement. Live and learn. Well, I figured out why my fridge wouldn't work. This is the 12-volt plug that it was plugged into. Plumb done melted and the plug was burnt. It was plugged into the 12-volt. Yeah. Not good. Luckily, I had an extra one. Well, anyway, there's the new 12-volt plug. I'm gonna see if I can either construct or find some kind of a box to protect that with. I'm wondering if maybe a power outlet box might do the trick. But anyway, and then I gotta get these stabilized better, probably with some of that black stuff. What is it called? Conduit? So anyway, the 12-volt is once again happy and working. The refrigerator still has a little bit of a problem, but I'm going to order a new cord, 12-volt cord for it, and then I'm going to attempt to hardwire that to my system. But I want to get a good cord for it first in case it doesn't work. So, I'm just going to show you one last thing before the video's end for today. This is just a shot of the footboard wall of the bedroom. I have had my CO2 detector, but I hadn't yet hung it up. So, it's hung, and I couldn't resist a bit of green. It makes me happy. Yep, I'm out of here. Barb is heading to camp.